Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing on startup when you're using Zoom. Okay, this Zoom is very great. You can communicate with team, friends, but I'm going to show you what you have to do to fix this problem. So make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. I'll really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. And now let's dive right into this video. So what you have to do, usually this problem occurs, you don't have the latest updates, and also you don't have the updates for your computer. You don't have drivers installed, so make sure you install all the drivers. You can head over here, and also Windows updates. You can also try with GeForce Experience to install the drivers from here. As you can see, there's an available driver right now. Usually I use Studio driver. This is good for creative apps. And now also make sure you click on Zoom and go to properties, and you run Zoom as administrator. And now the next thing as well, method, you also have to Windows logo plus I, and here go to power battery and just make sure you check high performance. And here in task manager, go to Zoom, go to details, and then set priority to high. This will ensure that Windows will prioritize Zoom over any other application. And that's the end of this video. I really hope now you can enjoy using the app without any issues. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.